एक प्रोड्यूसर होने के नाते मैं ये यकीन के साथ कह सकता हूं कि इफ यू कैन मेक द ऑडियंस लाफ टिल द एंड then you will laugh all the way to the bank.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for a performance in a comic role are...
Let's have a look.
Nexa IFA Awards nominations for performance in a comic role are Varun Dhawan for Dishoom.
ब्रोकली आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था तो कॉलीफ्लावर लेके आओ, लेकिन आपका इच कार्ड नहीं मिला.
Jimmy Shergill for Happy Bhag Jayegi.
सोलो डांस आइटम की है मैंने, और हुआ क्या?
पवी भाग गई.
Rishi Kapoor for Kapoor and Sons.
पक्का आपकी सेटिंग कराया था.
अच्छा, तेरी मम्मी नहीं है?
ये अवार्ड देने के लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे शिल्पा शेट्टी और पंकज श्रीवास्तव, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ एयर इंडिया.
We would like to say thank you to Air India for flying all the staff for IFA. Air India is our national carrier.
So before I announce this award, I'd like to throw light on the cause that IFA has taken up this year. They take up a cause that's dear to them, and this cause especially happens to be very close to my heart. It's gender equality. Barabari ghar se shuru hoti hai. So all of you men out there, you have that opportunity. Make your women feel special, make them feel equal, make them feel loved. And now getting down to why we're really here. So the best performance in a comic role
goes to Varun Dhawan. If I would want to win an award for any film, I would want to win it for Rohit's film, for my brother's film. So, Bhaiya, this one's for you.
Congratulations, Varun.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you, sir. But actually,
Shilpa.
since I'm here, I want to get something off my chest.
Are you taking your shirt off?
Should I take my shirt off? No, okay, that's a little bit later for that. But what I want to actually say is that I always get all these comic roles, these chocolate boy roles, yeah. I want to do something serious. So, Karan, because you presented Bahubali 2, if there's going to be a Bahubali 3, can I be in it?
We're going to come towards you, Varun, to answer that. But thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Good evening, New Jersey. Good evening, New York. Air India, your airlines, our own airlines. We already have 5 direct flights into US. And we are also evaluating a couple of new destinations like Los Angeles and Houston. So very soon, Air India would be spreading their footprints in the United States. Thank you and enjoy yourself. Hi, Karan. Hi, Seth.
Hello, hello.
So why can't I be part of Bahubali 3 since you're the presenter of that?
You think you became an actor because of your talent?
Yeah, I think you launched me because of my talent, right? You gave me a break.
I think it was because of your papa.
But Saifu, you're also here because of your mama.
और मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ because of my papa.
What does that mean?
Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks.
Actually, करण वो गाना कौन सा था? करण के फिल्म में गाना था ना? बोल चूड़िया, बोल कंगना.
कंगना ना बोले तो बेहतर है. चलो चलो आगे बढ़ो वरुण.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बोल रहा था कि मैं बाहुबली 3 में क्यों नहीं हो सकता हूँ?
ये इतना इजी नहीं है वरुण. बाहुबली एक डब्ड फिल्म थी. I don't think you know any regional languages. It's going to be tough for you.
Karan, 1 second. I can speak in many regional languages. You want to test me?
Yeah, come on, go ahead. मैं आपको देता हूँ बाहुबली का डायलॉग.
बोलो.
मेरा वचन ही है शासन.
यहाँ पे बहुत गुजराती भाई बहन है मेरे.
आगे आओ.
कितने पटेल और शाज हैं ऑडियंस में.
तो सुनाओ सुनाओ इनको सुनाओ.
मारो वचन आज मारो शासन छे ओ ढोली टारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे.
वाह Now do it in Marathi.
ठीक है, हम लोग महाराष्ट्र से हैं तो मराठी में भी बोलता हूँ मैं. माझा वचन ही शासन आहे. जय महाराष्ट्र.
Wow. So great. I think, the audience loves you, right, Varun?
I love you. Everybody loves you. No.
I want to say, Varun, I think we are here to really watch you sing, dance and remove your shirt. तो जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी अगर आप backstage जाओ, अपने कपड़े उतारो और वापस यहाँ आ जाओ. Normally,
I'm going to be back, guys, to perform for you all, but thank you for this.
moving on.
हर स्क्रिप्ट का आगाज एक आइडिया से शुरू होता है.
Wow.
और फिर वो आइडिया आगे जाकर एक 2 या 3 घंटे की दास्तान बन जाती है.
इस बार जो stories nominate हुई हैं, they were complex, engaging and multi-layered, ladies and gentlemen. The nominees for the best story are
Nexa IFA Awards. Nominations for Best Story are Aisha Devitre Dhillon, Shakun Batra for Kapoor and Sons.
मरने से पहले मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे परिवार के साथ एक फैमिली फोटो हो.
7 Quadras for Neerja.
इसकी कुंडली में लिखा था कुल का दीपक बनेगी.
Ritesh Shah, Anirudh Roy Chaudhary, Sujit Sirkar for Pain.
जबरदस्ती पकड़ के रखा हुआ था मुझे. अगर दोबारा करेगा ना सर, तो तुम्हारा खींच के बॉटल मारूंगी इसके सिर पे मैं.
And to do the honors, may we please invite on stage the absolutely stunning couple, the gorgeous Bipasha Basu and the super sexy Karan Singh Grover. And with them, Snagdha Chokshi from Nakshatra and Ritu Maria, Franchise India.
Good evening. IFA is a global phenomena and Nakshatra, India's leading jewelry brand, is proud to be associated with IFA. Thank you.
I must take a minute to say that IFA is really, truly brand India outside India, and I think kudos to the entire Wizcraft team for being able to put Bollywood on the global graph. Thank you.
The Nexa IFA Award for Best Story goes to
Aisha Devitra Dhillon, Shakun Batra for the movie Kapoor and Sons.
Aisha, my co-writer, is not here. I'd like to thank her and entire casting crew. Thank you so much for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, हमारा अगला अवार्ड बहुत खास है क्योंकि वो एक ऐसी हस्ती को जा रहा है जिसने पिछले साल कुछ ऐसे स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन ओरिएंटेड रोल्स किए हैं जिनसे हमारी जनता को काफी प्रेरणा मिली है.
Ladies and gentlemen, the award for the IFA Woman of the Year. और ये अवार्ड देने के लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे प्रीति जिंटा और राज नायक, the CEO of Viacom 18. Wow.
Is everyone having a good evening? Woo! So are we.
The Nexa IFA Award Women of the Year is going to a person who actually has taken the role very seriously. She's actually taken it out of real life to real life. And she is one person I know who actually works towards women empowerment. And the movie for which she is getting Woman of the Year is a movie which is all about women empowerment, Pink. And I would like to call on stage Taapsee Pannu.
Good evening, guys. My first award event of the season, my first award of the season. Guys, trust me, this was a huge surprise. I had no idea this was going to happen. Yes, Pink means a lot to me. I portrayed myself in the garb of Meenal Arora. By God's grace, thankfully, this incident didn't happen to me. I wished it doesn't happen to anyone. But this movie changed me as a person and as an actor and made me a vehicle for probably propagating this issue and a statement that clearly said no means no. Taking it ahead with a lot of other films, I hope all the females out there believe in themselves and realize that they're no less. And as IFA says, this year's issue is about gender equality. Let's take it ahead, girls. And thank you for all the men who support us, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you.